Welcome to day 8 of Waxvent, guys. This is actually my video. You can see patient is not actually that blocked up, but they had a really odd sensation in their ears. They could feel it was irritating and itching in there, and that's this piece of wax we can see right at the bottom of the canal here. So it's a relatively easy one. I seem to be getting all relatively easy ones this coming up this Waxvent.
Your videos are less than a minute long.
That's just because I'm good, Taylor Green. I'm just good at what I do.
This is me, and then I'm going, welcome to day so and so. This is a 35-minute video. Just 1 year.
well, this is actually Waxvent day 8 and 9 because we're going to go straight through. But it came away really, really well. With sporting new headgear, I have a rather fetching Christmas bow. I feel a bit like Minnie Mouse.
Look at these golden.
I know. Look at that, bad boys. Tell you what. So we are. Oh my goodness, just under 1/4 of an inch on that one, guys.
Half a centimetre.
Half a centimetre. Well, there we are. Guys, that is day 8 of Waxvent done. It's only a quick way already. It was so quick. But as always, guys, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. If you do thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can always consider becoming members of the channel as well. That way then you get to see even more videos. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye.